Hello, my name is Kanchan Jha, and in this video, I'm going to discuss one of the example of disk scheduling algorithm, which is called as a clook or circular look disk scheduling algorithm. It functions much like circular scan, where we have to reach at both ends. Means in C scan, we have to reach at 99, and when the head changes its direction, it has to reach at 0. But in circular look, we have to reach till the last given head position. We does not need to reach at the last 99 at the last end of the list. So one example here it is given. There is no need to reach end. And like C scan, it also changes its direction 2 times. How? Let me explain with this example. There are given 100 cylinder and the current head position is at 42. So from 42, from 0 to 99, we will first plot all the request sequence. First is 2, then 16. In this way, we will see in increasing order or in ascending order, we will plot all this request sequence. And it is also given that the head moves towards the largest cylinder. Means from 42, the head will start moving to larger cylinder, 48, 79, then 83. Then once it reaches 83, it will not reach to 99. It will change its direction one time. One time it has changed its direction. Then again, it will reach the end of the list. How 2 times it is changing? See, it will not reach till 32 and 16. It will reach till the last given request sequence, which is 2. And after reaching 2 again, it will change its direction, which is 2 times. It will reach till 16 and it will stop at 32. 32 it will stop. So now we have to calculate the total head movement. We can calculate total head movement first. First method is similarly I said 48 minus 42, 48 minus 42 minus 42, then plus 79 minus 48 means larger cylinder. From larger cylinder we are subtracting the lower cylinder which is nearer to it. From 83 we will minus plus from 83 we will minus 79. Then from 83 it has reached till 2, so from 83 we will minus 2. Then from 2 it has reached till 16, so 16 minus 2, 16 minus 2, then plus from 16 it has reached 32. So 32 minus 16. So if you will calculate in this first method, the total which you will get, it will be same 152. And second method is first we will calculate where it has stopped. At 83 it has stopped, and from where it has started, 42. So what will be 83 minus 42? Then plus from 83 it has changed its direction, and where it has stopped at 2. So 83 minus 2. Then again from 2 it has changed its direction, and where it has stopped at 32, because from 2 it has changed its direction. So where it has stopped at 32. So plus 32 minus 2. 16 is all the initial internal head position will not come in the middle. Direct way it has started initial position minus final position we are doing. So if we will calculate this, then we are getting 41 plus 81 plus 30, which is coming 152. And if you do this also, by this method, if you do the summation of all this summation, you will get the same result for 152. So this is the answer. And how now we are seeing that I have explained how it has changed its direction 2 times. Firstly, it has changed its direction when it has reached the one head ahead before end of the list, where it has changed its direction, and direct way it ends at it stops at 2 before the initial, before 0, means at the last head request sequence, and then it has changed its direction and reached the 32, which is the last head position, last request sequence. In this way it has changed its direction 2 times. First is here and second is here. So if you have understood, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel, And if you have any other queries, then do comment also. Thank you.